Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another special unboxing coming from Tec.Bean. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. This is coming from valleylink.com. So the website will be in the description. And I'll have a coupon code. You get 5% off your order. It's Stout79. So once you're at checkout, put that code in. You get 5% off. This is going to be a Tec.Bean, the seed of the future, T2, 4K, bada boom, waterproof, got the memory card slot, dual chargers, so that's something different you don't see too often on cameras. Got this, the battery is right here, oops, good with this pulling out, recharge it, comes with other goodies, but I'll be right back. And here we go. But here is the battery. Easy pull out. If I could see. Come on. There we go. Get out of the way. Oop. That happens. So you just pull. Boom. Boom. And definitely get an extra memory card. I'll leave a link down below where you could grab some memory cards also. Give me 1 second. Having a little difficulties putting it back in. Dang it. That happens, you know. No biggie. And definitely check out the other goodies they have also. They got a lot of cool new technology stuff they got out, electronics, stuff for Mother's Day. You could also get Christmas gifts, because that'll be here in no time. How fast everything moves. Having difficulty sliding it back in the groove. Sometimes it goes in smooth. Alright, stop beeping. Well, I'll leave it out right now. Don't worry about that later. This is what the front looks like. The Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. Oh yeah. Here's green. Great video. I need to get a memory card, so that'll be coming in soon. Here's a menu. There we go. Got, I can't read that. Video, photo, effect. Whoa. You can do the looping mode. Okay, that's how you do it. There you go. Photos. Zoom, filter. White balance. Timestamp. Go back on. There we go. And go to gems. I'm getting used to the hang of this. Black and white filter, sepia, negative, vivid, neutral. Warm, cool, red. Choices on this camera. But you could use this for your vlogs. You go on a bike ride, mount it to your helmet. Underwater, it is waterproof. Come on. Oh no. Shoot. And there's that. There we go. And when we're over general control, the mic, beep, I have that off. that. LED. Wi-Fi. I think I'm going to need that set up, but it's going to take a while. I'll show you why in a second. TV out, so you can hook it up to the TV. And it's got a lot of features in this little camera. Memory format, software update. There we go. Oh, good. See, that's a lot quieter. Auto power off. TV. NTC. Time setup. English. Memory format. Software update. Alright, we already went through that. So, you get the camera. Here's a mounting bracket for like a helmet. Your bike you can mount to pretty much anything that you use. Here comes the little brackets too. And there's another mounting piece right there. And we got some more goodies right here. Here is the waterproof camera comes with, or the holder. It's got to flip that up. And once I get it going, it's alright. It's been a long day though. And it's a new month, so happy May the 1st, guys. We are almost done with whatever's going on in the world. There we go. So it comes with also more mounting brackets. Ooh, that was loud. And this is like another mounting bracket. And like I said, this is for the underwater. Just put it in like that. Oh, come on. Like that. There we go. Lock it in. Lock it in. Lock it in. Shit is locking. Why is it not flush mounted right? There we go. And there we go. That's what it looks like with the case. Waterproof. And then also, this is really cool. Comes with a watch. So you can record, take video. It's Wi-Fi. See? It's turned on. It should flash. Got some bling bling to it. I think that's how you're supposed to wear it. In case of skateboarders, you could do like all that crazy stuff. Extreme sports, bike riding, extreme bike riding. Pretty much anything, really. But this is really cool. Never seen this on other cameras, so definitely check these guys out. Tec.Bean or Tec.Bean on Value Link. And like I said, you can get 5% off of this item and any items that you see on the site by using Stout79 at checkout. You get 5% off. So, gotta love saving money. But really nice camera, lightweight. Charging is not that long. I think it's like an hour. Oh, it comes with an also extra battery right there. And more mounting brackets. I just have nothing to mount it with right now. Another one. We got some 3M. I think this is like padding. We got the battery. I already showed you all that good stuff that came with it. Nice little camera though. And the wristband. Got a thick manual. It's 4K Ultra HD. 170 degrees. Wide angle lens. Long lasting battery. Waterproof 245. So that's pretty deep. Yeah, See, I had to get a memory card to see it fully use. But here it is. 3 mounting your camera, so you can put on your bike helmet, stuff like that. Or you can do it like a mini tripod too. That's what it is also. It's a tripod you can use. So I think I'm gonna try it for maybe tomorrow's video. I'm gonna do on that camera, see how good it is. But I still got a lot to learn. But really cool though. Quick unboxing for you guys to show that how this looks out of the box. But got everything covered pretty much. Thank you guys for watching. This is courtesy from Tec.Bean and valley-link.com. And like I said, if you guys want to save 5% off your order, use Stout79. That is my old channel code. So definitely get 5% off, guys. Save some money. Buy some cool technology they got out. Check them out. You guys be safe. Have a good night. See you guys soon.